felt snug, but not too tight. Shit's cool.
Nice. It's a good place to live.
So, chill? Did you get some good water today and like a little bit of food?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
You'll see the ocean still. And
we'll be good to go.
Awesome. I'm excited.
Okay, I gotta go take care of some stuff, but I'll come back and it seems like you're still getting fitted up. You gotta build the mask and all that.
Yeah.
I think it helps.
Cool.
Sick.
Cool. So, we'll have you take the chest strap.
Mm-hmm.
You'll route it through this hole here. The webbing here.
Yep.
So you just push it through here. Because if you're in the water and it inflates, the chest strap will hold the LPU down.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And if you want, you can just tighten that chest strap however you want.
Go over to the tester and actually tighten it down more. Have a good seat. What? You can't breathe through? Okay.
It's like pinching.
Okay. So you're gonna feel a bunch of air come into your face. So what I want you to do is take a deep breath and hold whenever I do that, and then tell me if you feel any leaks. You ready? Deep breath and hold. Look around. Up. Continue to breathe. We'll mark this up. Put it back. Just flip it.
Weekends, well, I guess you're not flying.
Put it back. Just flip it and push it in.
No pinch?
No.
Cool. Alright, you're good to go.
Sick. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
And then we'll look at the times, coefficients and whatnot. Missiles, leave a bite, make sure it's in the range, all charged up, and other missiles make sure it's set. We were carrying lines, so these are all blue stripes, which means that there's concrete. Here, make sure you don't want to do that. My AC, my pause is going to track everywhere I go. I'm going to go back to the classified duties here. Make sure it's set, missile, fins on, piece of concrete. So go ahead and do this one first. Okay, first thing you want to do is plug in your G-suit hose here. So I'll plug that in for you. There's a little triangle D-ring. Into here, so that goes like that, just like that. Push together. There you go, yep. Push with authority. There it is. All right, there's another green hose down on the right there. You see it? It's lying around. Go ahead. The hot mic, or you can control the volume here if I'm too loud. Other volumes are right here. That's COM1, COM2. All right, if you have any problems, talk to me. If you can't hear me, here's your switches.